my name is Christy and welcome to day 195 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Note Sunglow foundation. So this is a sample that I recently got in an Ulta bag, and I have this in the shade 10. I think that this only comes in like 3 or 4 shades, but it has SPF 15 and it claims to give a sun-kissed radiant look to the skin. It retails for $16.99 in the full size at Ulta, and it's paraben free and cruelty free. I'm really excited to see how this looks on my skin. I've started sunless tanning again. Like, you can kind of see the little tint of golden glow to my skin right now, but I have not been sunless tanning my face, so maybe this will help complete my sun-kissed type of look. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on the back of my hand. Wow, it does come out quite bronze and has a glow to it. So I did already prime my skin using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I've been really liking this ever since I tried it out on my channel, so I'll link that video down below. And I'm just going to take my Kabuki foundation brush and apply this. Okay, so this claims to be a foundation, but it's not really giving me coverage. It is giving me a tint of like bronze, and it's giving me radiance glow. I'm gonna mix my foundation in with this. So I'm just gonna add some of the L'Oreal Pro Glow Infallible foundation to the back of my hand. Then I'll just blend these together. Alright, so that did slightly darken my foundation. Let's try applying it this way. I'm also going to be able to see if there's any difference in my skin with it underneath. It's kind of like a glow base. You want to hear something really funny? This shirt was a crisp white color before I put it in the laundry today. I accidentally dyed all of my clothes blue. I mean, I've only been doing laundry for like at least 10 years. Can't believe I did that. Okay, so my foundation is applied with the Note Sunglow foundation, let's consider them drops, mixed in, and my skin definitely looks more radiant. Like, there is so much glow sheen to my skin now, and it doesn't look shimmery or sparkly at all. It just has like radiance glow, which I think is a very beautiful look. I think that it mixed really well with my foundation and applied very smooth. I really don't get like a sunscreen scent to this at all. It does have SPF 15, so that's nice that it's an added layer of sun protection to my skin as well. And I do have this in shade 10. It didn't make that much of a difference at all in the darkness of my foundation, so I really think that this was like the perfect extra tiny tint to add that tiny bit of sun-kissed effect to my skin. So yeah, I'm happy with this glowy look I have going. I'm kind of bummed that this was not actually a foundation on its own. Like, I guess you could use it all over your face alone, but it just offers no coverage, and so it kind of just looks very glowy, shiny, and I think that it needs a foundation to tone that down. Even mixing this in with moisturizer would probably be a nice look. So I think this is a really fun, successful product. I'm definitely going to continue to add this to my base throughout the summer, whether I'm using just a sunscreen, a full coverage foundation, or a CC cream. I think that this is a really great added product because of the sun protection, the shine, and the tint of color. In the past on my channel, I tried out the NYX Total Control foundation drops, and these are what I'll add to my foundation when I want to make it darker. So this kind of does the same thing, but it adds that extra glow. Also, my Total Control foundation doesn't have SPF, and this one does have SPF 15. So I'm always liking an extra SPF. Let me know in the comments down below how you like to achieve that summertime glow, that sun-kissed look to your skin. For me, I think this is going to be my new go-to product to achieve that look. I'm just going to go ahead and add a little extra to my cheeks to see if this can work kind of as a strobing cream and give that extra oomph of color and sun-kissed the way a bronzer would. Yes, I think this totally works. Like adding it to the high points of my face where I want to have that kind of highlighted look and that sun-kissed extra bit of color. This totally works for. So much glow going on right now. I love it. I feel like it makes my skin look so healthy. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.